and welcome to my YouTube channel today. Today I'm talking to you about solar panel or solar electricity business opportunity in the midst of the fuel subsidy removal in Nigeria. Solar panel business opportunity in the midst of fuel price increase in Nigeria. The fuel price in Nigeria increased from 30th of May 2023 from 200 naira per litre to 515 naira per litre. These rates are the official. Sometimes they go above and below, but most times they go above. I was going through some filling stations two nights ago, and I entered the first one on my way home. I checked the gauge, it was 520. I went out, I checked the other one, it was 520, and I moved on. Now, how do you make money using solar electricity or using solar panel when in the midst of this fuel price hike? That is what I'm talking to you now. Number one, I've made a lot of videos talking about ice block business. And many people have asked me, I've even gone video that you can use generator to power your ice block machine. Now, what I'm telling you is that you can also look at the possibility of using solar power to power your ice block machine. Many people have asked me, and I've told them to do their independent study on that and come up. In the next few days, I'm going to explain how you can use solar to power your ice block machine. Now, apart from using solar to power ice block machine, which will make you money, you can now go into the selling of solar panel and its accessories. You can go into the selling of solar panel and its accessories. All you need to do is to do a market survey, and I can do that for you. But I'm going to charge you for the market survey that I'm going to do for you. I'm going to give you a marketing plan. I'm going to look at the average prices where you're going to buy from and where you're going to sell to and where you're going to station, depending on your budget. It's not a must for you to have a shop, but it's good if you have a physical location where people can meet with you. But if you don't have a shop or if you don't have an office where they can meet with you, you can also do your business online, where you place it online and then you can deliver and install and you get paid. Because of the hike in fuel price, a friend of mine on social media, somebody that I follow, was saying that everywhere was silent throughout the night. Why? Because the fuel price have gone up. 5 liter of fuel used to sell for 1,000. Now 5 liter is going to sell for 2,500. And salaries are not being increased. So because of that, they did not buy fuel, and they did not power their generator using fuel. So what happens now is that since they did not power their generator using that, using that fuel, everywhere was silent because of the price hike. But they did not like the darkness. But the price of petrol or PMS, of premium motor spirit, the price of gasoline made them not to fuel the generator or to on it. Now, this is where the solar panel come in. Do a feasibility study and see it's cheaper to get solar panel, so there will be less reliance on premium motor spirits, and you're going to beat it to that. So when people now will be going for solar, and we have a huge chunk of sunlight here in Nigeria, especially in the northern part of the country. So what do? You go into solar panel installation and sales, or anything related to solar panel. That is where the gold mine is now. So let us be looking for opportunity in things that look as if there's no opportunity in there. That is just that for now. I'm going to talk to you again in my next video about other opportunities. I have a video, I talk about the coping strategies during this time. I have another video, I talk about other things. So let's take action on these things I'm saying, and we are all going to be glad that we did. My name is Olugbengade, and I'm your host on this YouTube channel. Please, if you are not subscribed to this channel, go ahead now and subscribe, and you are going to be glad that you did. It is free to subscribe. Now, if you have already subscribed or you have not subscribed, fine. Go ahead and share the link of this video with other people that need this information. People need to know and go into these businesses. Youths that have finished from school, you can learn solar panel installation in just 1 week. Go ahead and do that and come back here and tell me your success story. About the ice block, many people have told me so many success stories. I have so many success stories on my videos. People are contacting me in my DM and everywhere. And most times I ask them to come back here to drop their comments. But if you want to contact me on my WhatsApp, please just send WhatsApp message. Don't call me. Some people will say, I want to talk to you. I have a very busy schedule that this time I'm even using for the video is this thing. So if you want to accept this session, it's particularly very important that we talk. If not, there's no need to talk. All you just need to do is just send me a WhatsApp message on 08036910988 and I'm going to respond to you. So until some other time, these videos are popping up now are the next you need to watch. Bye for now.